I'm sorry, by the way, my name is Juan. Okay? You guys ready? Okay. This hacienda was built in 1858 and only has belonged to only two families. The Peon family was the original family and the current owner, Mr. Adolfo Lupke. The Mayan name is Tabishana. Can you say it? I can hear you. Tabishana. Perfect. This is the henequen fiber, and the sole was made with deer skin. Another example. You have a backpack on you. Yes, you have a backpack. This is a backpack as well, but a Mayan backpack. The Mayan name is Mecapal, and it was made by the henequen fiber, of course. So, Tabishana, Mecapal. Perfect. When we work with the fiber, the first thing to do, we need to cut the lips. At that time, the workers used to extract the fiber from the lips manually. This is a little example of how to make twines manually. I'm told you that this is not a quality fiber, okay? However, watch this. Very strong. So you can imagine how strong is the other. The combinations twine on this Corona system is 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 combinations. That's it. That's the maximum. Okay? Okay. And you will understand as well why the hacienda owners used to have thousands of henequen plantations. As a consequence of that, that's why they were in a system. I'm already showed you as well how to make bales to export. And now I'm gonna show you the industrial oil machines. When we get there, I'm gonna explain you everything about the machines, right? And now, let me show you how to make twines by the industry way. This is the fibers already come. So the fiber spinning and going on spool. Same process, different times and machines. Can you see the twines? Here? Okay? And here we go. Wish to make a henequen fiber rope, what do you need in the beginning? The fiber, exactly. Then the fiber. And finally, we need to make one twine. What caliber rope would you like to make? How many twines would you like to combine? That's it. That's why this machine has the capacity to combine several twines to make different caliber ropes. For example, and now it is going to combine 15 twines.
Wow.
That transform all together in one rope, and it comes on. He said that it's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome to this house.
Bueno, que uchu yumele hacienda no hago esto peón. Ten no cha época peón. Sotki, col itki, aquí, tu lago Mexico esquivete.
He said that in those days, he used to work in the plantation. He used to work with the Peon family, the original family. Actually, he used to cut the leaves by a machine. He also used to replant henequen. Basically, he did every single job in the plantation.
Muchísimo gusto de conocerles.
It was a pleasure to meet you.
Igualmente.
Que les cuiden en el camino, vayan a su tierra.
He said, and I ask God to take care of you in your way back to your country.
El Señor se va con ustedes, se queda conmigo.
The Lord is going with you, but also stay with me.
Es para todos, el que nos da la vida, el que nos da la salud.
The Lord is for everyone who gives us health and life.
Bello.
Say bello.
Bello, bello.
Bello. Bello means he's right, amen, things like that. The problem is